So hey guys, we're back for this video. We will have a summary chapter, chapter summary of chapter one, titled "The Exploring the Internet." So yes, for this video, we're going to have a summary and what is inside the chapter one CCNA Exploring the Internet. Um, what are my insights and what can I say about the chapter? So yes, guys. So about this chapter is the one that my attention caught is about the fault tolerance of the uh, internet provider, or like what are the internet provider we have in the Philippines. We have Globe, PLDT, um, Converge. What else? Smart, yeah. And then also, what is the difference between WISP and ISP? WISP means wireless internet service provider and internet service provider. So also the security threats inside the network, and then yeah, let's proceed. So guys, we'll be going to chapter 1.3.2, 1.3.2 about the fault tolerance. So I'll read some um, phrases or sentences for you guys. So here, the expectation is that the internet is always available to the millions of users who rely on it. And this requires a network architecture that is built to be fault tolerant. So this sentence is really nice because this requires a network architecture that is built to be fault tolerant. So fault tolerance means even if let's have an example. So let's have this. Um, a construction is ongoing. Something's building, or some construction workers are working on something. Then suddenly, one construction worker accidentally tripped or broke a fiber optic line, and then we have this um, dormitory that are using the internet or the fiber optic line, but the connection is doesn't doesn't get lost, or the connection is still good, but the fault tolerance will is the meaning of that example, because even though the construction worker broke the fiber optic line, still the connection is good because the sentence says that this requires a network architecture that is built to be fault tolerant. So even though um, days or let's just say days that before the service provider fixed the optic line, the connection is still ongoing and you can still use the internet. Yeah. Also, having multiple paths. Wait. These networks depend on a multiple paths between the source and destination of a message. If one path fails, the message can be instantly sent over a different link. Having multiple paths to destination is known as redundancy. So even a single path fails or um, got disconnected, we still have multiple paths for or a destination so that the message will be instantly sent or send. Yeah. Also, reliable networks provide redundancy is by implementing a packet switch network. Packet switching splits traffic into packets that are routed over a shared network. So, guys, this is a packet. Ay, wala pala dito. Sorry. Anyway, packet is like a train. The rails are the path on how to send those passengers in a different destinations. So if the path A or rail A is broken, we have rail B, so that the packets or the trains will have a different destination, so that the passengers will be going to their uh, station or different stations. Yeah. Next is for the ano to? WISP and ISP. We have the differences and similarities. For me, the differences of WISP or wireless internet service provider between internet service provider, the WISP is it is wireless and it is for typically for rural areas like the province. Yeah, to be exact, province. So let's have this. Saan ba pwede? Like probably in here in Batangas na lang. Batangas. So it's like still a rural place, even though a lot of establishments are ongoing. Still rural place because there are antennas, more of a Wi-Fi type place that are connected different or various types of internet are different various are different sorry various types of Wi-Fi. So we have dish or the satellite thing, and then we have the modem, so that you are wirelessly connected to the internet, like at home, your house. You're using the wireless fidelity or the Wi-Fi so that you can connect to the internet. And ISP is for internet service provider. That means everything that they have the internet service provider like Globe, for example, Globe. They use they can be converged connection. So converged means uh, mixed of multiple types of uh, connections. We have on how to you can watch TV using the internet, you can watch video using the internet, you can call someone using the internet, you can chat or talk to someone using the internet. So we have those tabs for ISP or the internet service provider. Or the ISP means for me is the all of the internet that are or I mean um internet that is the connection or the the main connection that is happening between the LAN wireless connection, the uh, 4G, we have 3G. All those things are happening because of the internet service provider. And the similarities is both of them are using the internet, of course. Because wireless internet service provider and internet service provider. And for wireless internet service provider and for ISP, internet service provider, both of them have the same company. Those who are using or managing the internet, the line cables, the wireless connection, both of them have the same company like Globe, PLDT, Converge, or Smart. Yeah, all of them are using the internet as in right now. And more of if more information about the internet, let's go to 1.2.3, chapter 1.2.3. Yeah, there it is. So guys, excuse me. The internet is an worldwide collection of interconnected networks, internetworks or internet for short. So we can call it internetworks or internet for short. The figure shows one way to view the internet as a collection of interconnected LANs, just like I said a while ago. And once, once, LANs means oh, LANs means LANs and ones are like a connection. Ay, hindi pala like are the connection of from to the internet. Some of the LAN examples are connected to each other through a WAN connection. Ones are connected to each other. That the red WAN connection lines represent all the varieties of ways we connect networks. Ones can connect through copper wires, fiber optics, and wireless transmission. So LAN is used for cables, and ones are being used also for cables, but transmitted through wireless connection or wireless transmission. Also, the internet is not owned by individual or group. Ensuring effective communication across this diverse infrastructure requires the application of consistent and commonly recognized technologies and standards as well as cooperation of many network administration agencies. So the internet is not owned by any individual or group. It's like Globe, PLDT, or Converged. Um, they are not individual or a group. They are a network administration agencies that are providing us a connection. Not so good connection sometimes. Depends on your plan MB. Yeah. There are organizations that have been developed for the purpose of helping to maintain structure and standardization of Internet protocols and processes. These organizations include the Internet Engineering Task Force, or IETF, Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers, or ICANN, and the Internet Architecture Board, or IAB, plus many others. So these organizations are examples of these agencies. So in any, I mean, di ba, these organizations are inside the agencies of the network administration agency. So they are the heads of how or how to maintain the internet connection properly. So this is the LAN connection from the government, from the hospital, from your homeland, school. So as of now, um, probably everybody is really using the internet. It's like you are holding um, a money that is really important for you because probably right now people can't live without the internet. Honestly, I can't live without the internet because every single question that I ask is being answered by the internet. So if you have a question, what is the weather for today? The internet will provide you the answer, or the Google will provide you the answer from the internet. Yeah. So next, intranets and extranets. So internet and extranet. So intranet is for the world. Internet is for the world, or intranet. Intranet or internet is just the same. I know. Intranet is for company only. Sorry guys, sorry. Internet is for the world pala. And in extranet is for suppliers, customers, and collaborators. Intranet is for company only. So let's have this. So intranet is company. Let's use Globe again. Globe, intranet. So they have their own connection inside their company. So extranet, their suppliers, customers, and collaborators. So those extranet, if for I guess they have this connection na they only partake the this connection for them na they um, give information within their group. For suppliers group, that is their connection. They give information or give facts about their um, ongoing projects, I guess. So the internet is for the world. So globe is for the globe connection for the globe home Wi-Fi, globe phone users, or simply globe internet users. Yeah. So lastly, let's have it converge for 1.3.1. Here, guys, I will tell you what is really converge, or the simplest form on how to discuss the converge connection. At first, we have before a converge time, we have multiple networks. For devices like computers, they only transmit through. I mean, computers can be only connected to their own computer, like PC to PC, laptop to laptop. And if you're going to call someone, you should use your telephone to telephone. Not before, I now we're using phone to laptop or phone to telephone. And then we have this device also. This is called a satellite or dish to TV. So the satellite um, collects the, what do you call this, radio waves, and then it transmits or the into a visualized um, entertainment. That is before into a multiple network. But now, as of we are using those networks into one. So we can be from laptop, we can have a visualization or the entertainment from TV. Yeah, we have, for example, Netflix or iWant TV, or we have YouTube, all those things for entertainment. So also for laptop, we can call someone um, for Viber, Messenger, and also from laptop, we can transmit or deliver message from other laptops. Converge also only means that one network for multiple devices. Okay, so that's all for chapter one. Thank you guys for listening.